Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a fillable PDF from with checkboxes in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF from. Now select Tools option and scroll down. Here we will find this Prepare from option. Select here and simply select Start. And see this automatically detected this field as a text field. Now select Preview. You can type here text and number. Also you can type here date. Now select edit option. I will insert here new text box. Here we will find this text box icon. Select here and draw a text field. Now select right button for properties. Now click generate option. Here you can change text box name. Also you can add tooltip and from field you can hidden or visible. You can make this field read only required. Now select appearance option. Here we can change text box border color, text box line thickness, fill color is choose white. Also your line style you can change and font size I choose auto and text and time bold and text coloring and yellow. Now select option. Here you can change text box text position. You can center text, right align text and center. Also you can add multi-line, limited characters. Now select close and preview and type your text. The middle align already added. Okay. Now select edit option and finally I will add here checkboxes. Here you will find this checkbox icon. Select here and draw a checkbox. I'll do another checkbox. I'll make two text box same size. Select and select right button. Here you will find same size both. Also I'll align bottom, already align and select preview and see this checkbox already created. Now I'll change checkbox border color, fill color, checkbox name, border color choose red, then auto text color choose red. Now select option. Here you can add cross, circle, diamond. I'll choose circle. Now select preview and see this. This already circle checkbox already added. Same way you can change this checkbox border, fill color and circle. Yeah. And finally click file option, save or save as a fillable PDF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.